giving you an update on these tomatoes that I Anastasia planted, and trying to show you through the wind. These trestles are phenomenal. Even the one that bent is still producing and growing. And it just keeps putting out more and more and more of these trestles. Yeah. And look at the other one. See the trestles? This is the lopped tomato. Yeah. It's doing pretty good. It's a little sturdier and less flimsy than the upper one. But... And when I said I'd keep you updated on the other bean coming up, I meant there was another bean coming up. And look at it. It's still got some dirt on the seed leaves, but it's doing pretty good. No, yes, I have to pick up the pepper. And it's starting to really get top heavy, so I don't know if I'll be able to keep it up any longer. But, yeah, look at that. Anastasia's garden is doing wonderful, and it looks as though the mystery plant from Grandma is going to produce purple flowers. That's pretty cool. So, moving on to the herbs. These basil flowers are getting huge, and they're still blooming. It's a little cold, so I'm a little sniffly. I apologize. The mint's doing wonderful, and Anastasia's mint has grown back exponentially. And I'm pretty sure that this cucumber is going to be picked because it's starting to over ripen right here. Yeah, they're funny shaped cucumbers, but that's okay. And the big story is, look at this bean. Look at the bean pod. Whoa, I have beans galore. I mean, it's much less than I had before because I only have a few plants, but it's putting out new growth, it's putting out new beans, it's got new flowers. It's amazing. Same thing over there, but it's not as large. And then look, it's only been a day since I was out here. I wasn't out here yesterday. I have a big green bell pepper. Yeah. Although I have a brown spot on my Cubanelle pepper, and I have no clue what that is, but it's not soft. So we'll take it in and see what happens. Now, as I said, the little peppers are dropping off this plant. You can tell by turning yellow. But over here, I have a decent one that's growing. And up there, I also have that deformed flower that opened up. And look at this. I mean, it's windy, so it's hard to tell. But yeah, I've got a lot of peppers. Even over here, they're getting large. And I have flowers that are going to open soon. Then the jalapenos are pretty red. Not quite red enough to pick. I mean, I still have some black spots that need to finish ripening up. But yeah. It's starting to turn out to be a fantabulous day. Although it looks as though I'm missing a jalapeno. Looks like one of my ones that I had picked for seed saving is missing. So I gotta ask the kids if they picked any. But while I'm here picking a ripe cherry tomato, I've got a few that are ripening up, and look at the color on that beefsteak. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So yep, this one's missing. So hopefully I'll find it in my house. If not, I'll just save this one, and that one. So yeah, thank you for my quick update. It is kind of chilly. I apologize. Yeah, these tomatoes are putting out trestles all over the place too. So I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna head to work. It's gonna be dark when I get back, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I apologize about how short this video is, but yeah.